you are all doing well. Today we came up back with the sketching features. So in the last class we learned that how to open the software and how to select what is the part design, what is assembly design, what is generative shape design. Now we are discussing about sketching. We have started that. Go to the start, select part design, then this interface will be appear to you. This a new window comes, then we can go directly by selecting the planes. Here we in the last class already discussed about the planes XYZ plane and YZ, ZX and this axis system. So all these planes are visible here. So now I'm taking YZ plane. So we are going to sketch now. Now we are taking YZ plane. Select the sketch tool and a sketching interface, a 2D interface is available now. So you are seeing the tools, toolbars and profiles, all those things here. So here you are seeing that specification tree is same. What are the operations you are doing? All the operations should be monitored or recorded here. This is like a history. So here in the part design, in sketching, we are drawing the sketches. So first of all, how to draw rectangles, oriented rectangles and parallelograms. We can discuss about all those things. So here you are seeing that standard toolbar like profile toolbar. In this profile toolbar, you can select whatever the profile you want to draw or to sketch. So here seeing open profile. This is open profile. You can draw rectangle freely by using this without any dimensions. At the same time, you can draw triangles without dimensions. Free form of profile, you can draw all those things here. So this is a free or open profile. Now let's see the other profiles. This is a rectangle profile. You're seeing that I clicked here and drag it, then a rectangle will be created. In this rectangle, the types of rectangles are there. So rectangle, types of rectangle. This is a rectangle, oriented rectangle, parallelogram, and elongated holes, cylindrical elongated hole. So these elongated holes and all those things were used in making keys in shafts and all in the type of places it should be used. And here keyhole profile, this was also used in shafts mainly. Hexagon, you can use this in multi profiles and multi profiles. So here you are seeing this free form of rectangle you drawn here before we seen. So here we are seeing that centered rectangle. What is centered rectangle? And centered parallelogram. We can see this. So first of all, you go to the menu, profile menu, then insert profile, whatever the profile you wish to draw or a predefined profile. In this, you can select the predefined profile. So first we've seen that open profile, how to use it. So now rectangle. See, this is a kind of rectangle. Now I am selecting oriented rectangle. This is a oriented rectangle. Next, parallelogram. I had drawn this parallel to this. So this is a parallelogram. Next, elongated hole. Easily you can draw these things without making any lines, arcs, without drawing all those things. We can directly draw elongated holes. So to clear all these drawings or sketches, if you want to clear, you can do undo. Otherwise, select all those things with left click and drag. All the sketches will be selected. Then click on delete. All the sketches will be removed. If you want to recover it, then click on undo or otherwise redo. You can see the keyhole. You can see. So this is the keyhole. You can make the circle at the same time. The diameter, all those things you can change the dimensions using constraints. Now center rectangle, which means you can select the center point of where you want to draw the rectangle, then select the center point and drag it. center point rectangle should be drawn. The dimensions also as the same as the other side also, same as the other side also. Now you are seeing this. In this rectangle, I have constrained one side of the face. This is the 447 saying showing. So the other face will be automatically should be constrained because of the same dimensions. So if this blue color or violet color which appears in the screen means over constraint, then you need to delete any one of these constraint. So which the constraint I had done or taken secondary, I'm deleting this. Now the sketch is coming green, so this is fully constrained. Now make this also fully constrained. Okay, so whenever the sketch should be green in position, then it should be fully constrained. If it shows any other color means this is over constraint, so then you need to remove the over constraints which you draw extra. At the same time you need to verify whenever you draw the sketch this is over constraint or not. So this is the central rectangle. Now I'm drawing center parallelogram. Okay, wait a minute. This circle, center circle, centroid circle. So I'm selecting the center point and drawing the circle. Constraint toolbar is same. You can constrain it through this constraint toolbar. I'm highlighting this. Whatever the toolbar you selected, whatever the tool you are using, it is shown in the status bar. So this is the center circle. Next 3-point circle. 3-point circle. First 2 points you need to select, and the point is need to set to end the circle. Now this is a circle using coordinates. You can set using coordinate system. So I am selecting the center, vertically 10, radius should be 50. So you can see this now, which the dimensions I have given. 100 diameter is showing. I have given that radius should be 50. So this is the coordinates using circle using coordinates. Then tritangent circle means you can draw the 3 lines, then you can draw using that lines you can draw the circle. And this is also 3-point arc, which before you usually draw in that 3-point circle as same as the process. And this is a 3-point arc starting with limits. We can use the limits here. So this is the center point arc. We can draw the arc using center point. Now we can draw the arc here. So I'm making the arc in center point here. You used to draw a semicircle or semi arc, any type of arc you can draw using center point arc. Now this is the spline. This is the curve tool, or in technically spline tool. You can draw this using spline. And this is the connect tool, used to connect the 2 ends of the spline. So you are seeing this, the 2 ends will be connected. At the same time here, this is the ellipse, parabola by focus, and hyperbola by focus, conic. Whatever the shapes you wish to draw, you can draw it here. So this is the line tool. This is the infinite line, bitangent line, and bisecting line, line normal to curve. So you can draw the lines, types of lines here using curved lines, bitangent lines, and all those things you can draw here. At the same time, the type lines, these are the types, and this is the axis line. You can axis line means we are seen that previously we are drawing the lines, all those things. So if you here blue color is highlighting, this is the axis line. So whenever the axis line should be selected, the axis line should be dotted. So you can draw, wish to draw dotted line, you can draw the dotted line. This is the axis line, and this is the point. Basically in this 3D platform, in where of the part sketching, there is some point we need to identify, then we need to start wherever we wish to start. So every sketch or every drawing needs a point, initiating point. So this is the point. If you want to start from here, you can start here. And in this point there are types of points, point by using coordinates. We've seen that a circle by using coordinates like equidistant points by giving the equal distance to the by giving 10 points, that we can give the 10 points same distance, equal distance. So that's the equidistant points. Intersection points, the meeting of two lines or two lines meeting, that is a, we call it as a intersection point. So we can give that point also, draw those points. And this is a projection point, we can project the point also. So this is the toolbar. If you want to wish to see enlarge or the toolbar, click on right click or drag it outside from the toolbar, then it should be here. So predefined profile should be open. So this is also like this, predefined profile, two or more profiles is there. If the then the predefined profile is open. So you see in this all those things. So this is the profile toolbar. So this is the profile toolbar, and today you see in this profile toolbar. Tomorrow we can learn how to see the unhidden toolbars, how to unhide the toolbars, hidden toolbars మనం రేపు పొద్దున్న చూద్దాం. So this is the part of sketching today. In this sketching we see in that profile tools and all those things. So thank you. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, అలాగే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మర్చిపోవద్దు. If you like this video, you can like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.